Let's say you have a picture and you want to give it a special shape effect. For example, we have this design, but we want to turn it into a heart shape. This is super easy with Gang Sheet Pro's Superedit. Let's do it now. Click Edit Image here, and it takes you to Superedit. The image loads automatically. Let's move it aside like this. Now, from the Element section, choose the heart shape. Let's resize it to match the image. After selecting both of them, click Image Mask in the Composite section on the right, and there you go. As you can see, the lion picture is now inside the heart. We can delete the original and make the new one bigger. Then click Return to Gang Sheet Pro. It's optimized at 300 dpi, ideal for printing. Hit Save Changes, and that's it. As you can see, there are two differences here. The bottom one is heart-shaped, with the effect I just applied. It's that easy. And of course, there are hundreds of options here, so you can apply all kinds of other effects too. That's all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching.